Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to replace screen in Photoshop. Ready for this? Let's get started. At first, select rectangle tool. Now select the color. Then click on anywhere in the image. Now you can set screen resolution size with 1920 pixel and height 1080 pixel. It is laptop screen size. Then click OK. Now control your commentary for free transform. Then click commit transform icon or press enter. Then select rectangular layer and click right button and choose convert smart object. Then decrease the opacity to 50%. Now control to your commentary for free transform. Now right click and select execute. Now click commit transform icon or press enter. Again increase opacity to 100%. Now double click on the smart object. If you see the dialog box, then click OK. Then automatic new windows open. Here you can add anything you want. Now press Shift plus Alt. Now just save the image. Go to File and select Save. Then you can see the image automatically change. Now this is before and this is after. If you want to change this image, just double click on the smart object layer. Then press Shift plus All. Then Ctrl S for save. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe my channel with like, share and comment.